The New York chapter of the American Institute of Architects and the Classic Harbor Line have combined resources to produce architectural boat tours around Manhattan, led by a knowledgeable architect. You'll learn a lot about the architectural landmarks as well as the working waterfront of the city. 5 different boat tours are available in 1920s style boats, including some that circumnavigate Manhattan. I chose the Around Manhattan tour that passes under 18 bridges with spectacular views of the skyline and the waterfront. There's a bar on board and a light snack is served. Passengers get a different perspective of New York City from the water.